Okay, so today I'm diving into the subject that's been on the minds of many people in Myrtle Beach, and that's the spiraling costs of property insurance. Now, what's causing this surge and how does it affect you? First, we know Myrtle Beach is undeniably a paradise for a lot of us. With its stunning coastline, temperate climate, low taxes, and endless attractions, it's no secret why people flock here. But with the dream comes the reality, and that's high property insurance rates. For instance, if you own a $400,000 home, you can expect to pay, on average, over $3,600 a year. And that doesn't even include the cost of flood insurance if you need it. And one major factor that's driving up property insurance costs in Myrtle Beach is increasing frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Our last Hurricane Ian, which hit last September of 2022, resulted in flooding and wind damage. And get this, in 2022, the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration reported 18 costly natural disasters in the U.S., which resulted in over $165 billion in losses, and that was up 6% compared to 2021. Now, the demand for property in Myrtle Beach has skyrocketed in recent years, and with it, property values have surged. And high property values translate into higher property replacement costs, which drive up insurance premiums. Between 2021 and 2022, material goods for new construction rose an astonishing 14.3%. But fortunately, these costs are starting to moderate, and this year the increase is only expected to be 4%. Plus, insurance companies in the area are reportedly paying out $3 for every $1 of premium they collect. Another factor contributing to the rising insurance costs is the limited competition amongst insurance companies in the area. Now, I've heard from several local insurance agents that companies are either restricting how many policies they write or they've pulled out of the Myrtle Beach market completely. And we all know when there's fewer options, insurance companies can charge higher premiums without the fear of losing customers. Now, Myrtle Beach's coastal location also plays a significant role in high insurance costs. Coastal properties are inherently riskier to insure due to their susceptibility to storm surges and flooding. And anyone who lives or knows Myrtle Beach can tell you some areas will flood just because of king tides. Some insurance rates on condo complexes have risen as much as 100% this year, and it's resulted in either an increase in HOA fees or an insurance special assessment to make up the difference. Now, while most property managers and HOAs budgeted for increases in rates, most have found that this hasn't nearly been enough. And condo owners are getting hit with huge assessments, and I've seen everything from $2,000 to as high as $10,000. And that's a big hit, especially if you bought a condo as an investment. These are the factors driving up insurance costs, but here's how you can mitigate these expenses. First, consider investing in hurricane-resistant building features, such as upgraded roofing or impact-resistant wall structures and windows. Shop around for insurance, even if the options are limited. Compare quotes and coverages to find the best deal. And finally, stay informed about local and state-level initiatives aimed at addressing property insurance costs. Now, I know this is currently a hot-button issue in the South Carolina legislature, so stay tuned. Property insurance has become a problematic issue in the area, and it's a complex problem. But with knowledge, proactive measures, and a good local insurance agent, you can navigate these challenges.